to a very moist and unstable air mass, we could see some strong or severe weather across the Tennessee Valley. Once again, there's a severe thunderstorm watch in effect until 3 o'clock for Lauderdale, Limestone, Lawrence, Colbert, Franklin, and Marion counties of northwest Alabama. We will continue to monitor the situation throughout the afternoon, so keep your TV station on the Tennessee Valley News Channel. I'm Rick Mecklenburg from the Channel 48 Weather Center. Well, good afternoon, everyone. I'm Rick Mecklenburg in the Channel 48 Weather Center, and a severe thunderstorm watch continues until 3 o'clock this afternoon for most of northwest Alabama, including Limestone, Lauderdale, Colbert, Franklin, Lawrence, and Marion counties. We'll show you Doppler 48 now and show you what's going on with the severe thunderstorm watch. Well, there's a line of very intense thunderstorms extending from Nashville through Wayne County, Tennessee, and all the way down to near Tupelo, Mississippi. There's some very heavy rainfall associated with this line of thunderstorms, too, as it enters northwest Alabama. It will continue to move to the southeast, and our air outside is becoming increasingly moist and unstable. So as this line of thunderstorms moves into some unstable air, we could very well see some strong or severe thunderstorms this afternoon. We'll back out now and show you the southeast part of the country on the radar and put it in motion. Look at this line as it moves into northwest Alabama. And once we get that line, there's another line behind it associated with the cold front, and yet another line in Arkansas. So it could be a stormy afternoon across the Tennessee Valley. We will continue to monitor the situation for you. Once again, severe thunderstorm watch in effect until 3 o'clock for roughly Athens and Decatur westward. It doesn't include Decatur, but it does include Athens, Limestone, Lauderdale, Colbert, Franklin, Marion, and Lawrence counties here in North Alabama. We will continue to monitor the situation and provide you with complete weather coverage throughout the afternoon right here on the Tennessee Valley News Channel. I'm Rick Mecklenburg. Let's go back to the game now. Well, good afternoon, everyone. I'm Rick Mecklenburg in the Channel 48 Weather Center. It's 1 o'clock, and we're watching a line of very strong thunderstorms moving across the Tennessee Valley. There's a severe thunderstorm watch in effect for roughly the western half of the Tennessee Valley, which includes Limestone, Lauderdale, Colbert, Franklin, Lawrence, and Marion counties of northwest Alabama. We'll show you Doppler 48 now to show you there's some very strong thunderstorms entering the northwest part of the state, extending from, well, way up to Nashville through Lawrence and Wayne counties, Tennessee. Now, here's northwest Alabama, some very strong thunderstorms, some dangerous cloud-to-ground lightning, and also some strong winds, as well as the possibility of some hail with these storms. As these storms continue to march to the southeast, our air over the Tennessee Valley is getting increasingly moist and unstable, some very unstable air out there. Plus, we have the heating of the afternoon to make things even worse. So these storms will continue to develop and become quite strong. We'll back out now and show you the southeast and put it in motion. You can see these storms as they continue to move to the southeast. They're not as strong as they were earlier, but I am expecting them to re-flare up because we have some very warm, moist air over the Tennessee Valley, and storms love that. That's how they thrive, if you will. We're watching this line. There's a line back behind that, and another line in Arkansas. So it could be a very stormy afternoon across the Tennessee Valley. This watch will expire at 3 o'clock, and it's certainly not out of the question for a watch to be issued for the rest of the Tennessee Valley as well as these thunderstorms continue to march eastward. We'll keep you up to date here on the Tennessee Valley News Channel. I'm Rick Mecklenburg in the Weather Center. Well, good afternoon, everyone. I'm Rick Mecklenburg in the Channel 48 Weather Center. First of all, we have to apologize for the timing of our last weather cut-in. It appeared to be right before halftime of the game, and we really apologize for that, and it won't happen again. Okay, here's weather across the area. Severe thunderstorm watch in effect until 3 o'clock for Limestone, Lauderdale, Colbert, Franklin, Lawrence, and Marion counties of northwest Alabama. We'll show you Doppler 48 now to see a line of strong thunderstorms moving across the valley from around Nashville through Giles County, Tennessee, Lawrence County, into Lauderdale, Colbert, and Franklin counties. Some very heavy rainfall associated with this line, as well as the possibility of some hail as it continues to move to the southeast. We'll show you the southeast radar now, speaking of the southeast. And you can see that strong line is approaching the Tennessee Valley, weakening at this point. We are expecting some redevelopment as the heating of the afternoon builds up and the line moves into a very moist, unstable air mass. Well, after this line goes through, we're certainly not out of the woods yet because the cold front's way back in Arkansas and northwest Tennessee yet. So we're expecting thunderstorms to develop along that as well. So it could be a stormy afternoon for us here in the Tennessee Valley. We'll, of course, keep you up to date and not interrupt any pivotal points in the basketball game. Severe thunderstorm watch in effect until 3 o'clock for northwest Alabama. We'll continue to monitor the situation and have further updates throughout the afternoon. I'm Rick Mecklenburg in the Weather Center.